Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your iPhone 16 Plus smartphone and how you can solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, go to apps, and you will see here it taking mobile data. You can there is no settings as much in the Android. You can see you have to enable first the background app refresh and delete the unwanted apps that are not in use. Just clear your storage and you can see the battery is 14%. Do not charge more than 100%. If you just stay connecting to the charger and not just uh, removing it will affect the battery life of it. It will drain your battery life, and you have to simply clear your cache, app data, images, videos from Files by Google. You can download it in the App Store. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.